So I mix the resin, 360 milliliters in total, and divide it into two parts. 180 milliliters of resin and 180 of hardener. And now the first layer is going to be clear as so, and I just spread it around into the mold. Make sure everything goes into the edges. And now I am starting to pour the hinted resin. First is orange, followed by golden, and then I added a little bit of yellow to create some kind of insert of a flower, resembling of a flower. And here I'm pouring magenta. At the same time, I mixed white angel paste with resin and put it into the pipe so that I can draw the petals. And I left it sit for about 15 minutes so it does not become liquidish and will be a little bit easier to draw the petals. Also, make sure to check out my previous video. I'm gonna put a link where I created the coasters to match this bowl. It is similar colors, orange, magenta, white and clear, and they look fabulous together. So here I poured the rest of the clear resin, and now I'm just getting rid of the bubbles with the heat gun and trying to sort of widen the colors, just move them around with the heat gun. And I think my surface was not leveled, so I'm kind of manipulating the mold to spread out the colors. And right now it's time to draw the petals. I think 15 minutes had passed, and here we go. Let the fun begin. And I have no idea, I didn't plan this. I just follow my gut and just, enjoying the process. And here we go. Just drawing the tracery as I feel like. And here I decided to put a little bit of seeds in the middle of the flower, which really popped the whole look of the bowl. It, the end, you will see, it's going to be absolutely phenomenal. At this point, it doesn't matter the petals to be evenly dispersed, because you will see I will manipulate them and they're all going to be looking really organic and natural looking as the petals of a flower. So now as you see, I'm drawing the petals and I have no idea what I'm doing, just follow my gut. And I will let you enjoy this process. This is really mesmerizing at this point. And I'm gonna put some music for you guys. Enjoy, and I hope you like my video. And here some images right after, maybe half an hour, once the resin start kind of spreading a little bit and breathing. Everything looks so organic and absolutely mesmerizing. Hello guys, so I forgot to press the record button. How I sculpted this bowl. I'm gonna disassemble now and you will see exactly what is happening here. So let me set up the camera. Okie dokie, this is my Mickey Mouse. This is the weight I put on top to maintain the shape. And then this one is I put it placed inside. And I placed the cups here to make like wavy kind of shape. A little bit more interesting than average bowl, just like this underneath. And I placed the whole flower in salad bowl. So it's pretty much easy. You place it here and shape the sides and put the weight inside, and I let it cure overnight. Okay, and now, and yes, I did put the cellophane between because I start sculpting it approximately 4 or 5 hours after the project, after the first cure period. Wow, it's gorgeous. Oh my god. Oh gosh, this is, oh wow. I specifically love to have a lot of clear, and to have this glassy look. This is like beyond my expectation. It looks like a glass sculpture. Wow, still bendable actually. I can adjust a little more. Yeah, so it needs another maybe 24 hours, but I do love the shape. Gosh, it's beautiful. And so I'll let it cure for another 48 hours, and it's gonna be hard as a rock. It is beauty. Look at this. It's so glassy looking, all the waves, all the interspersions and tracery of the flower, the fantastic magenta and the orange. It is such a happy art piece, and it matches my I specifically selected those colors pretty much similar to my previous project, and I'm gonna put the link. The 3 coasters that I've made, I'm gonna shoot right now with them, and you will see what I'm talking about. It's good. It's a set. It's so beautiful. All right guys, I hope you enjoy my video, and yeah, don't forget to press the bell button and subscribe. I love you. Have a beautiful day.
out.